Hi, it's Easy Rider Greg. Welcome to the channel. Going out for a little ride on this Christmas day. It's almost 80 degrees, believe it or not, in Arkansas. Gotta go out, get everything all warmed up, and then change the oils. I was watching Goofy Bastard and Road Reality, and they were talking about doing no edit rides, 8 to 10 minute no edit rides. I don't know if I'm going to do a no edit ride. After a while, I'm going to put it on the handlebars so I can use that front screen, and then I'll see how well that directional mic works on the media mod without having to have a wired mic coming up to my face and having that wire blowing around. I'm going to go north on Arkansas 23 right up here. That's a pretty drive for a ways. It's like riding in the mountains when I first get out of town. A lot of twisties and uphill. It probably is. I probably do go over what passes for a mountain around here. Down there, I can't remember the name of it, but I don't know. Depending on which that thing I look at, there's two different names. One's called Boonville Reservoir, and the other one is something else. So I don't know. This road looks wet here. Like over there on the right. I hope everybody's having a good Christmas. I had dinner at my sister's last night. We had prime rib. That was awfully good. She says they always do that on Christmas Eve, and then they do nothing on Christmas Day. There's some really big birds around here. I don't think they're eagles. I think they might be some kind of vulture. They look in the air, except they're even bigger. They look like the buzzards in Arizona. Buzzards are a vulture. It says it's about 76 right here, but I'm kind of feeling like maybe I should have at least put my Levi jacket on. My long sleeve shirt isn't quite enough. I don't think I've gone for a ride on Christmas Day in a long, long time. In my 50s, I was still riding no matter what the temperature, hot or cold. But I don't think on Christmas Day for at least 20 years anyway. Always it was either doing something else or just didn't want to do anything. But it was never 75 degrees on Christmas Day in Prescott, Arizona. Now when I lived in San Diego, we had a lot of 80-degree Christmas. The only thing I miss about California is some of the beautiful scenery, places to ride, but I don't miss living there at all. I do miss Arizona. I don't miss the traffic and the lines when you go to the stores. And they were starting to get lines at the gas stations. But I miss the restaurants there. I miss the scenery there. But the scenery here is pretty too. There are some areas that it's remarkably similar where there's a lot of pines. It looks a lot like where I lived just outside Prescott. All these bare trees. This is really pretty when the trees are all leafed up and green, and the grass and the weeds are all green. This would probably be pretty if it was covered in snow, but I wouldn't be out riding if it was snow either. Yeah, all the grass is it got brown after about the third frost, and even though we've had a lot of days where haven't been that cold, it didn't grow back. Almost missed my turnaround spot, or my camera change spot. Not really going to turn around. Gravel. Yeah, I don't like gravel. Ooh. This is rough too. Get up here on this more dirt area. Put my stand down. There. I'm gonna put my GoPro on here. Put my new GoPro on here. So thanks for watching, and don't miss the next exciting adventure.